Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're vlogging me getting my hair done, and now we're going into Tisun, the hair I am doing passion twist. So, oh, here we go. I think this is it. They have premium and regular. Alright, so I have collected all my packs. I wish I knew what the hair jewelry was. Let me see if I can find some. So we can add it in when I get it done. This is Tisun. It's in my local neighborhood. I live in North Carolina, so yeah, that's the shop I go to. Is two. One North Carolina, one South Carolina. The North Carolina one is way bigger. I don't see what I'm looking for. I'm probably in the wrong section because I think this side is all hair. So I picked up these little feathers as decoration, and I want some shells, but all I see are these, and I don't think they're gonna fit to my passion locks. I don't think they are. This is like these and stuff. I wish they had like what I just showed you, but with this shell. This is kind of what I'm talking about, but I don't want the color on there. I just want the little loop with the shell. Everything just like reasonably. Found it. Well, this is not exactly what I want, but it's close enough. So we're gonna go with this and then check out, and then we're gonna floor it to the haircut. Hair dyes, the shampoo, the synthetic hair, the purple pack for those quick half up, half down hairstyles, and I always get on clearance for 99 cents. If you need a knitted hat, waiting to check out. Peace out until my hair's done. We're coming along, guys. Excited.
In this one simple call, they offer to enroll.
I don't know what else to do, y'all. So yeah, peace out. I'm finished. Say hi to my stylist, KB. I love my hair. I'm so excited.
Yes, look at you.
See y'all that weekend. Hey guys, welcome back. Well, it's not really back. So this is like fast forward in the future. So I've had my passion twist in for about I got them done last Thursday. So oh no, well I've had them in for a week now. So this is, you know, what they look like after a week. Some of them have shriveled up at the bottom. I guess that's just with me retwisting them, but I tie them up. Well, I tie like my perimeter up every night, and then I have a large bonnet that I put over top, and that is how I sleep. And when I wake up in the morning, I just put some mousse and spray the ends with some water, and they have been holding up pretty well. So I'm sure you guys have a lot of questions who did them, how much did it cost, how long do they typically last. So a co-worker of mine actually had hers done before I did, and she said she paid $125 for hers and that she was not satisfied because, you know, some of them came out within 5 days. So what I did was went to Facebook Market, because you can always find a good sis on Facebook Market who does really good hair, but, you know, is probably not licensed. And so went on Facebook Market. I found a nice young lady named KB. She's actually in college, so shout out to her. She did a really nice job. I bought 9 packs of the Xpression, and it is the Twist Up Passion Bohemian Curl 24-inch, and I wanted waist length, so I actually, her services said $50, but because I wanted waist length, it was an additional $50, so I paid $100 for my style. And it also came with a free touch-up, so I have not gotten a touch-up yet, but I still have a free touch-up, so I think I'm gonna wait till I get around like 2.5 weeks to go get a touch-up, because honestly I could slick down these baby hairs that are coming from like the parts themselves and make it really cute. It's not really bothering me, so I absolutely love it. They were a little heavy when I first got them, but after like 2 days then it wasn't that heavy. You do like the maintenance on them is like moderate, I would say. It's not too extensive, but you do have to put mousse on them and like wet the ends. And then if you use the jewels and stuff, they'll snag and pull. So you'll have like little strings coming out. But I don't really mind the messy look. And then when you do the mousse and water, it does make them look a little cleaner and neater. I also found a great nail tech on Facebook Market. I paid $45 for a freestyle full set, and that included all the styles. I just sent her a picture and she did my nails as well. A small is $35, so can't beat that. It's not really bad. So like I was saying, it was part of my self-care day, and as you can see, I have my little baby with me. This is Camden. Say hi.
Hi.
So I want to thank you guys for watching my channel on my Passion Twist and basically self-care day on Facebook Market. Say thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
And come back again.
See you back again.
Little kisses. Bye.
Bye.